What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Aurora. Do you hear the bell? It's like 3 on the dot. I just finished a ton of work. Most of the work I had was school, but I also did some like YouTube and work stuff. So I'm glad that I started the month off productive because it's November 1st today. I have a lot to do when I get home. I'm gonna take you guys through all of that. But first, while I'm on campus, I wanna go to the gym. I try and go every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But what I didn't show this morning is I missed my bus and my brother wasn't awake to take me. I don't have a parking pass. So I just ended up walking here. So I feel like I got a lot of cardio in and I'm probably just going to do some like machine stuff. But yeah, I'm super excited to bring you guys through my week. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already. I post a ton of videos about beauty, fashion, and home decor on a budget, and also lately some college vlog related content. And you can follow me on Twitter and IG at RoryBell with 3 L's and 1 E. Let's go to the gym. What's up, guys? So I went into the gym. My brother's in here, so that's kind of why I decided to even go, because I was not feeling it. Like I said, I walked so much today that I was just gonna skip the gym, but he's gonna be my ride home. And so I went in there. I just did the leg press real quick. I didn't really want to get sweaty, and then I'm just gonna wait out here for him. So I will check in when I'm at home. I'm probably gonna pick up a little bit, eat something, and then we'll go to Trader Joe's. It's only 6:30, but I'm like really tired. We're gonna try these butter toffee pretzels. Little taste test, not vegan. What is my issue lately? I've been just eating so much bad things. So many bad things. Okay, taste test. I need to try another one. They're not that good. I'd rather just eat a normal pretzel. I'm not gonna buy this again. I wouldn't recommend it. Are these people waiting for me? Y'all can move along. I'm sitting here talking to my friends. I'm gonna have another pretzel. After I'm trashing on them. Maybe these will grow on me. I'm just kidding. Going home, I'm gonna cook. I'm not gonna walk through the cooking. It's always hard for me to do that. I feel okay about what I finished today. Like I was entering the day really stressed out, and I feel like I got some stuff done. I'm just mukbanging at this point. Let me go. Bye, guys. What's up, guys? It's Tuesday. We're back at the library. I'm being such a good student this week. Let's get the let's get the let's I've been studying all day long. It's currently 5. I left the library at like 3:30. We're gonna go back out to study. I need to go to Starbucks and just sit and finish some work. And it's also like midterms week. It's technically week 6, but like our first week was nothing and all the projects are stacking up. So it's just been a lot. I'm like barely hanging on. We will get it done. I also just have like other work that I'm gonna have to do in the next couple of days, and I have actual work picking back up here, and I have like certain brand stuff. Like it's just a lot. It feels really, really overwhelming and like never ending right now, but it's for a good cause. So let me quit wasting time. Let me go get to work. We're gonna eat this orange at Starbucks. I'm so excited. Low key, Trader Joe's has the best like cuties. Should I just eat it right now? Little mukbang? So boring. We need some cuties. Everybody needs a cutie. That should have been my Instagram caption for my birthday. I did like a photo shoot at the Orange Grove in Riverside. I should have been like a cutie amongst cuties. Anyways, okay. Let's go. I feel so bad. This vlog is so boring. My life is boring right now. Let's go to Starbucks. What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, back at it again. I'm gonna go to the library. Wish me luck. I'm so over this.
Going crazy.
I'm free. I literally don't know why I decided to vlog this week. This is like the most boring week of my life, the most boring video that I've ever made. I was literally here since 9 and it's past 7 o'clock, so you can say I'm like studious or whatever. Okay guys, I look a little crazy. I just put on tanner. Ignore my shirt. This is my tanning shirt. My kitchen is so dirty right now, but I wanted to show you how I cook my favorite rice. Not even cook, just like put together. This is like my, ooh, don't look at my dishes. This is like my, oh my God, everything is so dirty. As I was saying, this is like my go-to if I just want to eat something quick. I have these white rice packets from Trader Joe's. They're so good. If you're gonna need some rice, this is my favorite butter. And then some limes and some salt. This isn't even a recipe. What am I doing? Pouring out my rice, some butter, like squish your limes. That's the key. And then juice them. I'm gonna do 2 limes, but you can do less or more. And then some salt. And then mix it all up, baby. Bon appetit. Also, my friends Caprice and Tyler, shout out to you if you're watching, made us cookies. How freaking sweet. We just ate like all of them. Okay, so I have my rice, some raspberries, my water. I want to order some stuff online. I normally don't, but I'm feeling very rich today. I got a little stimulus check, so you already know. Now there's some things I've been wanting to buy and I'm like finally getting to sit down. So I need to buy tanner. So we're going to get some of that just off Amazon. Bonsai Sand Liquid Gold Self Tanning Foam. Purchasing it. Add to cart. Okay, we're gonna get it on Sunday. Cheers. Next, I really want to get a green baseball hat. I've been wanting one of these for a really long time, like a bright like Kelly green. I think that would be so cool. I want a Diamondbacks one. Diamondbacks baseball hat. $40.
The hell? It's literally out of stock. Are you kidding me? I invented this. I'm like very disgusted. Okay, in stock. Add to cart. Out of stock. Put it back in stock. Look how cute this is. Wait. How cute would that be? Trader Joe's, your raspberries are canceled. These literally taste like dirt, and I wash them a lot. Ew, I'm not eating that. It's disgusting. Why is my night being ruined? You know, a girl just wants a single hat. What else can I buy? I'm gonna go in on Black Friday. I need to start saving right now. Okay, I'm gonna finish this rice. I'm gonna throw away my dirty raspberries. And I'm gonna just chill the rest of the night. It's really late. And tomorrow I'm gonna be filming some videos, so I'll be able to show you guys like behind the scenes, get ready a little bit. I have class. So yeah, it'll be a little bit more of a fun day, not so boring library content. Good night, my angels. I'll see you tomorrow.
I know you loved you from the start. I know you loved you from the start. I know you loved you from the start. I know you.
What's up, y'all? It's Thursday of Ignore My Hair. I'm still in the process of getting ready. I just did my makeup and we laid out some outfits I'll show you in a second. We're going to take some pictures with. I have class today at 4. A little bit more of a fun day. I still need to get hair dye stuff so bad. Like all the pictures I'm taking today, I'm gonna be taking 2. One's with a hat and one I'm just gonna like try and slick my hair down and hope for the best. The lighting in my room is like only good up high. Let me show you real quick the outfits. So I wore this first one before for like a friend's thing and I posted it on my stories, but I never got like a proper look with it. And I really want to. So we have this, I don't even know, Athletics, is that the brand or the team? I'm so stupid. This purse is from Romway, some jewelry, and then the top is from TikTok and the bottoms are from Boohoo. And then I love this top. This top's also from TikTok. I just want like a waist up picture with this. My bra, some earrings. I don't know if I'm gonna use the sunglasses. This purse, just in case I want to like hold something, this is also from Boohoo. And then the pants are Misguided. Those are the 2 outfits. I also want to film like a little accessory collection video just because it's like clean right now and I need to film something this week. So that's the plan for the day. I will take you along for like behind the scenes of each little task I have to do today. I'm gonna go bother my boyfriend now and see if he'll take my pictures. I'll try and show you like the method, but since he's probably gonna be taking them, like he might not want to be on camera, so we'll see. I feel like, surprisingly, this outfit that I took pictures in was my favorite. I felt like with the hat, I looked a little bit bald. So we got some good pictures. I don't know if I'll post any of them because I don't know if I want to like waste that outfit on like my hair being up. We will see. But one successful picture bagged for sure. But we just usually hit up a parking garage at UCR. Very, very, very cringe if you see us in real life taking the pictures, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And now I am waiting for my boyfriend. He's in the store. I have 2 quick videos to film. It's 2:40 right now. My class is at 4. So I hope I'll be able to get home and finish it in time. We shall see. They should be like very quick videos. I'm like so not motivated to clean my house. My house is such a pigsty. I'm usually so good at like staying on top of it. This week has really been kicking my butt and I'm gonna start my period probably tonight, so TMI, but that's just how we do it on this channel. I'm glad that you guys are seeing me not in the library. That makes my soul very, very happy. Oh, also Bobby from Sopranos, Steve Sharippa, replied to my DM. It wasn't that big of a deal. He sent me a heart, but I was like fangirling because I sent him like a little cute thing with a dog and I said it looks like his dog and he sent me a heart, y'all. We're such big Bobby fans in my house, so very exciting, very good day so far.
Filming snack. Thanks, Rel. I have not had these. These remind me of like baseball. Oh. Okay, y'all. I think I had a successful end of my day. I didn't realize I only had like an hour last time I talked to you before I had to be on class. I'm logging on right now, like totally last minute. I finished one video, so that's okay. That's enough. I didn't really want to do the other one, so it's okay. I'll check in later, but we're gonna get on to class. I'll try and sneak a little. That's kind of rude. Maybe I won't. I was gonna show you my class, but that's kind of like invasion of privacy. Anyways, let me go to class. I'll talk to you later. Just finished my class. We got out a little bit early. I'm sorry that this wasn't more of an entertaining vlog. I promise that I'll make more in the future that are a little bit more fun, less studying, but I'm glad that you guys got to follow me along this week. Tomorrow, I'm just gonna be cramping all day. I'll be lucky if I go to the library, so we're just gonna end it right here. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video or liked following me along. I would love to make more vlogs for you guys. I promise. I feel so bad. Like, this was genuinely all I did this week, but like, I didn't anticipate it being like this all week when I picked up the camera to vlog. We'll have to do another one of these, I promise. Make sure to follow me on Twitter and IG at Rory Bell with 3 L's and 1 E. I hope you guys had a great week, a productive week, and I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.